I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your password on the LinkedIn app is straightforward, and I'll guide you through step by step. Step 1. Open the LinkedIn app. Launch the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture or the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, look for the gear icon or settings option. This is usually located at the top right corner. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Select Account Preferences. Scroll down to find Account Preferences and tap on it. Here, you will see various options related to your account, including password settings. Step 5. Change your password. Find the Change Password option. Enter your current password, then your new password twice to confirm. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Remember, if you forget your current password, you will need to reset it through your email, which can be a hassle. Just ensure you have access to the email link to your account. I hope this helps you easily update your LinkedIn password. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.